للرجال نصيب مما ترك الوالدان والأقربون، وللنساء نصيب مما ترك الوالدان والأقربون مما قل منه أو كثر نصيبا مفروضا.
In this lesson, we will learn division of inheritance, قسمة التاركات, the estate left behind. Tarikah can be defined as the gross state of the deceased person prior to the deduction of rights and claims attached to it. The estate includes all peculiar rights, contracts, options, and compensations. Also includes all properties, movable, immovable. All items are included here, such as cars, vehicles, planes, you name it, anything that is movable and anything that is immovable. The estate also includes all debts. So if people owns him money or her money, all those debts must be counted. They are not left just because it is not there at that particular time. Likewise, also blood money. If he had a share to a blood money, diya, maybe one of his relatives was killed by an accident and the people are going to pay compensations, that must be accounted. For example, an old man died and left behind wife, son, mother, and a father. He also left behind 10,000 dinar and 20,000 square of land. We're going to work out how much each person is going to get in the 10,000 and the 20,000 of land. To work out the amount entitlement of each heir, we use the total share of the case and divide by the wealth with it, and then we multiply the results by the share of each person. We can also work out the percentage of each heir in a similar manner. Example of a case. In this case, we have a wife, mother, father, and a son. The wife is getting 1/8, the mother and the father are getting 1/6, the son is getting the remaining. The case is built upon 24. The wife is getting 3, the mother and the father are getting 4 each, and the son is getting 13. In the 10,000, we work out by 10,000, or the wealth, whatever it might be, any wealth that you have, this is how you do it. 10,000 divided by the total share of the case. That's why we build a case. The money divided by the total share of the case, and the result times the share of each heir. 10,000 divided by 24 times 3 is 1,250, and so on. 10,000 divided by 24 times 4 is 1,666 and 67.67. We can also work out the percentage. For example, if this money was in the stock exchange or in a business, so the person doesn't want to take out his money because his money is making more money for him or for her. So we do 100% divided by 24 times the share of each person. So 100% divided by 24 times 3 equals 12.5%. 100% divided by 24 times 4 equals 16.67%. And then 100% divided by 24 times 13 equals 54.16%. Likewise, we can divide the land was 20,000 divided by 24 times the share of each person. The end.